So hi everyone. So hi my wonderful people. My name is Jalise and this is Infinite Modesty Design. Just saying hi to everyone. For those who are watching me live, thank you for watching me live. And for those who will be watching the replay, thank you very much. You could definitely tell us where you are watching us from. I know I have various different people from various different parts of Canada, the United States, so wherever you are, kindly say hi and where you're watching us from. That would be nice. Yeah. So hi Faith and Mazie, thank you for joining me. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh, hey, Miss, hey, don't even, oh, hi, Princess. Thank you, dearie. Thank you so much. All right. So thank you guys so much. So for who know me, I'm Jalise, Infinite Modesty Design. And for who don't know who we are a Toronto Sewn and Fashion Studio. Of course, what we do help build the skills of individual, our customers, our clients, our students. We help bring out their creative side. So that's what we do. You're from Long Island. Thank you so much, Delia, for telling us where you're from. Excellent. So for those who don't know a thing about us and just seeing me here, okay, definitely we are, like I mentioned, a Toronto Sewn and Fashion Studio, and we do help build the skills of individual by helping them bring out their creative side in sewing and fashion. We have beginners classes. We have online classes, beginners classes. We have intermediate classes online. And, of course, we have advanced online classes. So our advanced class basically would help you to sew, not just for yourself, but for your customer, for your client. It actually helps you to cut and sew the garment either on the fabric or on a pattern, make your own pattern itself. So it's a really, really professional advanced class. So of course, if you want to contact us, definitely 416-742-9931, or you could definitely send us an email. It's Jalise Jerome@gmail.com, or you could just send us a message wherever you're watching us from. All right, guys, so I just want to do a regular live letting everyone know that for those who are interested in the advanced class, definitely registration is open. Let us know definitely if you want to be on that list, because it's a live class. We'll be teaching you live. It's not a video class. I like teaching live. Live, we could interact with the students. Maybe the students have questions. I love teaching live than just doing a video class and say, okay, you know what, buy my course and just do it yourself. No, I want to coach you step by step. We also have a 4 days free sewing event coming up. Hey, cuz, I hope you get the email and your homework. Yes, my cousin is in my class right now, my beginners class. There's lots to learn in that beginners class. If you have never, ever touched a sewing machine before and you want to join our beginners class, because many people have don't think you can learn online. Everyone have the ability, of course, to learn sewing and fashion, regardless of where it is. You could always challenge yourself, push yourself, tell yourself, I can do it. Not I cannot, but I can. Whether it's online, I can, and it will happen. All right, so for those who are beginners and wondering, what sewing machine should I buy? Well, this beauty right here is a Singer heavy duty sewing machine. So I'm not an affiliate in any way for this particular machine. However, I do like this machine because I had it since 2018 when I started the studio, and it has been working fairly well for me. So this is a really good machine. I really recommend for if you have never touched a sewing machine before and you want to join us online to sew. That is a definite really good machine. I would have some links in the description for those who might be interested in purchasing the Singer heavy duty. Is a 4452, 4411, 4423, 4432. There's various different kind, but they are very good. Teachable. They're really good teachable machine. And if you don't have a machine, like I said, okay, this is the length right? This is the pattern selection dial. And then you could follow along, of course, step by step because you have the same machine. Now, if you have a machine already and you say, you know, Julie, I have a machine, I don't want to buy no more machine, contact me. We'll definitely go through the manual and we'll get you started in your sewing and fashion journey for sure. So I hope everyone will be signing up for our 4-day sewing event. It would be a very nice time. We're just going to come and chat and, you know, get to know each other. Because I know there's so many people that just contact me and say, you know, I'm happy that, you know, you're sewing and what you're doing. I've been sewing for such a long time. No, I used to sew for such a long time and then I forgot. People forgot because that's how it is. If you don't string that machine constantly, you forget. That's just how life is. All right. So I would just want to invite everyone. I did have a link in my I'm trying to do this actually here. So I'm trying to actually make a sleeve with a circle mesh. I don't even know how we're gonna come up, but you know what? That's the good thing with sewing. You always want to try something out. So I'm just gonna put it on here for those who's watching me. I just thought of something to make, and I was like, you know what? This is a sleeve, so this is not even done yet. This is just a little sleeve here, right? And I'm trying to make a little circle. So this is a lot of fabric here. I'm trying to make it into a circle to see how we're gonna look. So we'll see how we're gonna look actually. I would definitely show you guys how we're gonna look. If it come out good, then fine. If it don't come out good, then I'll just take it out. But I'm just trying to gather it here as I go along. So yes, guys, so definitely what I want to say is that anyone who's you know, said, you know what, I want to just join a sewing group. Okay, no worries. Thank you for coming. So Hannah, you wanted to join, hang out with me? Okay, then you're gone. No worries. Princess, thank you so much, Jerry. And Cynthia and Toin, Sister Toin. And Faith and Yolanda, thank you so much for joining me, guys. Really appreciate it. For those in my Toronto sewing group, I'm not seeing anything. I'm not really seeing anything so to send any message. But for those who are in on my page, if you could kind of help me share the page. Well, hi Fatu, hi Patricia, thank you for joining me, dear. I don't know, I'm not seeing the chat for some reason, but anyway. I'm happy that you guys said hi. At least I know you're watching me from the group. Okay, great. Because sometimes the computer don't record the group. So anyone is in my Facebook page, kindly help me share the video. And I would put a link where people could register for the free 4 days. So it's 4 days sewing online. Let's call it a sewing party. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to actually tell anyone because I don't want anyone to say, okay, I don't have fabric. Make sure you have your sewing machine. Make sure you have your scissors. Make sure you have at least some fabric. And we'll figure out what we're going to make. All right, guys? I don't want anyone to be stressed. You know, I don't have this. Julius, what is the measurement? What is this? What is that? Just come. Right? Just register. You will definitely get an email, of course, in order to register. Hi, Hannah. I see that you wanted to actually join me on a chat. No worries. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much for joining me. So if anyone is on my page or in my group and didn't know about the 4 days sewing event, hi Victoria, thank you for joining me, honey. We are going to be having it on the 28th. I can't remember. No, not this Friday, next Friday. Oh, guys, I want to invite you into our graduation. Yes, that's what I really, really wanted to talk about today. Actually, I keep on forgetting. Don't mind me. So we have a graduation this coming Friday live. So our students who took our beginners online class, it was the first time I actually launched the beginners class. And then our students, we had quite a bit of our students. So we wanted to do like a nice little graduation party. And we want to invite everyone to watch either live or on Facebook and help us share. So it would be this coming Friday and it would be around 6 p.m. We'll be doing a nice little graduation party to send off our beginner students. Yeah, we had lots of students in the class. Some was beginners, some I already know the sewing machine, but it was such a beautiful time. And I really, really wanted to really kind of hype up the first beginners class. So that's what it is there. So yes, guys. So thank you so much again for everyone. If you could kindly help me share, I would put the link for those who want to join the 4 days free event. I would definitely send a link for those who want to actually join me on Zoom to come and actually sew with buddies. sew with others. I didn't realize there were so many people that actually definitely have a need to, you know, to string that machine. So I'm so very thankful. I'm so very happy to meet so many of you guys online. All right. Once again, I just want to let you guys know again, we are a Toronto Sewing and Fashion Studio, and we do help build the creative side of our students by bringing out that creation inside, outside to life in sewing and fashion. For those again who want to learn to sew and have no clue where to start, you could definitely contact us. We could jump on a call, we could talk. One of the sewing machine I recommend again is a beginner. It's a 4452 heavy duty sewing machine. It is a really good sewing machine that you could actually get if you want to start sewing with us online. And our advanced class is coming up. For those who are interested in the advanced class, guys, you know, sometimes I said in my in-studio class, I charge to make 2 skirts and a blouse with a sewing pattern, $500, and people would pay. And sometimes when I said, okay, the advanced class is this amount, people will find, okay, but you know what? One thing, guys, is a skill you're learning. You're learning the skills. You're learning something that you don't have to go to a seamstress again. Seamstress might be upset because I'm actually teaching. You know what I mean? Because they're not going to get your money again. You'll be knowing how to cut your clothing. You know how to measure your clothing. You know how to alter your own garment. You're not going to be going to alteration shop anymore. So that's the good thing with the advanced class. The advanced class, we give so many bonus in that class. I teach that class live, guys. So if you have no clue of sewing, you have no clue of cutting and sewing a dress like this, or maybe this sleeve that I'm making right now, because this is just something that came out in my head. And I decided, okay, let me just try and see how we're going to go. Like, you know what? You could decide, let me just try a style and see if it makes sense. If it don't make sense, then, you know, whatever. I have enough fabric. I could do whatever. So that's what the advanced class is all about, guys. It's bringing your creation to life. And we are definitely able to coach you live. Not videos, nothing like that. Coach you 100% live. All right, guys, so I didn't have anything specific to say tonight, but just to kindly invite you to our 4 days free sewing event on Zoom. And I will send the link on the Facebook page. Kindly help me share, because I would put the link on the Facebook page. In my group, I don't know if you guys could share the group. If you could share the group, awesome. If not, then just share the information on my page. And then please, I want you, and the party is coming up next Friday, not this Friday. But the graduation is coming up this Friday, and I want you guys to come out and support this wonderful work of sewing. Yeah, I really, really love sewing. And I could sit here and decide just to sew for myself and just, you know, find people to sew for and let them pay me. But I wanted to give back to really, really meet more people who actually wanted to learn that art, that beautiful art of sewing. So it is an art. Right? And it's an art that you create, you design, you inspire. You know, it says, oh, did you make that? Yes, I did. Oh, my goodness. Can you make one for me? And they say, yes. That's what our advanced classes is all about, guys. So, guys, I want to thank you guys so very much. We're not doing anything great tonight. It's just a quick Tuesday night live. I would try to do some, maybe try to do another live probably before the weekend. But I want to thank you guys so much. Please join us on Friday at 6:30 by God's grace p.m. Eastern time zone. For those who in Central time zone, I think it will be 5:30. But for Eastern time zone is 6:30. And we do have lots of space for our beginners class, guys. So for those who are interested in our beginners class, we just started last week. It's a live class I teach plus the videos. So you get all the videos and you're in a specific Facebook group. So we have a lot of space for those who are interested in joining our live classes. Just remember, guys, that one thing I want to say is that by the grace of God, the Lord is, the Bible says in John 3:16 that God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believe in him shall not perish but have eternal life. Jesus Christ died for the sins of mankind. And one thing I want to share is to get to know him as your personal Lord and Savior. I get to know him not because someone tell me to say a prayer. I get to know him because I asked if he was real and he manifests himself to me. So I love to share that to people. One of the great way you could start is to download the Bible to your phone and let the Bible read for you and say, Jesus, if you are real, manifest yourself. Show me that you are real. And I guarantee you, once you are sincere, he would definitely show you that he's a real God and waiting to embrace you. Love you guys so very much. Please help me share this live because I'm going to put the link so people can sign up for the free 4-day sewing event. Love you guys so very much for your support. Take care. Bye-bye.